Amenify AI, VR, and AI technology are redefining the future of living spaces. Experience your home or office space like never before with Amenify. Our cutting-edge 3D virtual reality environment, powered by AI and machine learning-based personalization, allows you to walk through your newly designed interior, as in real life, before it becomes a reality. At Amenify, designing your home or office space is more intuitive than ever with our augmented reality technology. Design your entire space or a part of it, play with different furniture options, adjust walls and flooring, and experiment with different styles, all in real time along with estimated pricing. It's your vision, brought to life with the swipe of a finger. Stay updated on your orders with the Amenify Operator Portal app. From scheduling to real-time updates via our 3D camera installed at your site, the Amenify Operator Portal brings transparency and simplifies your experience, making it hassle-free and convenient. Ready to transform your space? Visit us online and take the first step towards a luxurious, hassle-free lifestyle. Amenify, where your dream home and office space becomes a reality.